If you guys want to know the cheapest way to buy Hex without any gas fees, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you guys how to do that step by step. So let's get started. What is going on, guys? My name is Sir Lewis, the YouTuber to invest to rest. If you guys love crypto content, leave a like, subscribe, and put that notification bell so you guys can keep up to date with the best crypto news and content. So let me show you guys here how to buy Hex with no gas fees, probably the cheapest way possible. Okay, it is going to use this exchange called Hotbit, which you guys can see right here. And I'm gonna leave my referral link for this crypto exchange, Hotbit, right in the pinned comment and description so you guys can join. I think you get like a promotion. So you guys download the app either for Android or iPhone. I'm gonna leave both of the links in the description below. Okay, and then you open it up. It's very similar to Kucoin, Gate.io. So if you use those two before, they should be really easy to use. So great, you just made your account. I don't think you need KYC for this to either buy or sell. So as you guys know, this exchange does have Hex. A lot of exchanges out there don't have Hex, but this one does. As you guys can see right here, you can actually buy it on this exchange. Obviously, you guys got to send money to here, and this app is similar to KuCoin and Gate.io. You can't connect your bank, so you got to send crypto to this app, right? And the way you do that is you go to another crypto app that I'm pretty sure you guys have, like Coinbase, Gemini are the ones that I recommend, because these have basically free withdrawals, something like XLM or XRP. So for this instance, I'm sending XLM, and the withdrawal is literally gonna be like 1 cent, probably lower than that. So I'm gonna withdraw my XLM to my XLM wallet in Hotbit, right? So for this, I'm gonna need to copy the wallet address. So I'm gonna go right back here to Hotbit. We're going to click right here, deposit, because you're depositing some XLM. Then right here, we're going to search for XLM. And this is going to be very important. So follow these steps step by step. What you guys are going to want to do here is copy the address, but not just the address, the memo as well, because XLM and XRP has both an address and a memo. Okay, so right here, we just copy the address. Now it's the memo, okay? So we go back right here, copy the memo. Now we got the address and the memo. Now we want to put the amount of XRP that we want to send over. I'm going to put all my XRP. As you guys can see, the network fees will show there. It's basically free. Like, there's no network fees, there's no withdrawal fees, so that is just awesome. Withdraw XLM. Now then put in your Google verification code, which you have connected to your Coinbase. Awesome, so I just sent my XLM from Coinbase to Hotbit so we can purchase that Hex, right? So we click on done. Then we're going to go back right here to Hotbit, and we should be getting that XLM. Alright guys, so finally XLM just got here. As you guys can see, I literally sent $11 worth of XLM. Just an example to show you guys here how to basically buy Hex on here. So now I have the XLM. Now what you want to do next is you want to sell your XLM. So you're going to go right here to market. You're going to click on XLM, and you're going to sell your XLM for USDT, okay? Click on sell. We're going to click 100%. As you guys can see, and then we're going to click on the main price of XLM, which is right here, the middle price. Click on that if you want to sell it right now. Click sell. You're going to submit your order submitted. It just went through. All right, so now we have $11 of USDT. Great. So now we're able to buy the Hex. All you guys got to do basically is the same thing. Go right here to market, click on search, click on Hex, click on buy Hex, and then you just put 100% if you want to use all your money. Then you can put at whatever price that you guys want to buy it, because it's a limit order. You click on that, then you click on buy Hex, click OK. And then boom, right there after your limit order goes through, it should be right here on your funds. Boom, right there. As you guys can see, I have Hex now. Now there's one huge thing to know, guys, which I'm going to talk to you guys about, and that yes, I just bought Hex literally the cheapest way possible, because the trading fees here on Hotbit are super low. And I didn't pay any gas fees. But if I ever want to withdraw the Hex, okay, which I'm pretty sure you guys would want to in the future, they do have a withdrawal fee of $175 worth of Hex, which comes out to around $30 as of right now. So if you're planning to buy and withdraw instantly, you're gonna have to pay that withdrawal fee. It might even be better if it's lower than the gas fee. But there's another strategy which I like, which is you can buy your Hex, leave it on here, and then once you can basically buy Hex on post chain, withdraw that money just as an XLM or some other crypto, and then buy Hex using post chain, which probably won't have any gas fee. It'll be even cheaper. And again, you could still hold Hex until that comes true, right? So that's just a strategy that you guys can use, so you guys don't have to buy Hex using the crazy Ethereum gas fees. You guys can hold it here. But if you guys are impatient, you guys want to stake Hex already, you guys can literally just pay $30 worth of withdrawal fee, right, and withdraw Hex that way. So that's how you guys buy Hex with no gas fees, the cheapest way possible, right here on Hotbit. Use my referral code in the description below and pin comment. And thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.